Vantage BNB 3095 Aircraft Paint Remover is a thickened peroxide-activated paint remover formulated to remove a complete range of epoxy primers and polyurethane topcoats from aircraft structures and components. It is also effective on rain erosion and non-skid coatings. When applied by non-atomizing spray, BNB 3095 clings to vertical and inverted surfaces and contains a high-performance barrier that helps safeguard against drying out, maximizing contact time with the aircraft and reducing the number of applications required. BNB 3095 lowers the total cost of ownership. BNB 3095 is a safer, low-odor solution that does not contain materials listed on the United States EPA's list of hazardous air pollutants, while also complying with the European Union's REACH regulations. Vantage BNB 3095 does not require mixing prior to use and boasts an industry-leading 18-month shelf life. While meeting a variety of aerospace specifications and testing requirements, Vantage's BNB 3095 is a preferred choice for aircraft paint removal and is available in a range of packaging options, pails, drums, and totes.